Hello, my name is Nicholas Costin. This presentation is for EVSP501 Environmental Management. The assignment is to provide an overview of the environmental management topic chosen for this course. Today is August 19th, 2018, and I would like to welcome you to my presentation. The topic for this discussion is going to be the management of coyotes in Arizona. As the population of Arizona expands into continued urban sprawl, the instances of humans and domestic animals encountering coyotes will become more and more frequent. As you can see on the slide, in 1970 there were less than 2 million people in Arizona. Today, the estimates report that there are over 7 million. Coyotes have a historic range all over North America and in Arizona. They thrive from the valleys of Phoenix to the mountains of Flagstaff. That's a difference of over 4,000 feet of elevation and the difference of a habitat of desert and mountainous ponderosa pine dominated forest. In fact, Arizona's most common predator is the coyote. Nationwide, a recent study indicates that the coyote population is growing. Why is this? Well, maybe we should find out. What is the first instance of human habituated coyotes ever recorded in the United States? It was Yellowstone National Park in 1947. They could be observed posing for pictures and begging for food, creating traffic jams. Coyotes are a species that are highly adaptable to changing conditions, as evident by their large geographic range. Fragmented urban areas can actually benefit some species like the coyote. This ability to adapt to changing conditions, and with those changing conditions being urban sprawl, conflicts between coyotes and humans are going to be more and more prevalent. As you can see on the map to the right, the approximate range of the coyote between 1900 and 2016 has actually expanded. This is because coyotes can actually benefit from this. This is causing an increase in population rather than a decrease like we see in other species when we have fragmentation and urban sprawl. According to a recent study completed near Tucson, Arizona, it was actually found that coyotes prefer medium density to low density residential areas. Although the study did indicate through radio collar that coyotes frequented high density residential areas as well. A theory presented in this study was that the pavement found in high-density residential areas allows coyote to travel in a manner very similar to their natural river washes. As far as diet, coyotes generally feed on small animals, but also bird eggs and different vegetables. This is historically. So if you translate that to the modern day and to urban sprawl, their diet becomes garbage, domestic cats, can sometimes also include domestic dogs. So what are the concerns from a policy standpoint? Is coyote attacks are actually on the rise nationally. From 1970 through 2017, they increased exponentially. As far as in Arizona, news outlets are consistently reporting coyote and human interactions. Neither the human population or the coyote population show any signs of slowing growth. There is not currently a management plan in place in Arizona to handle this increase in the coyote population. Currently, Arizona Game and Fish provides resources on their site and directs people to scare coyotes away when they are seen, as to not allow them to be habituated by humans. This is one solution. Another solution currently in place is coyotes are classified as a predator and have a year-round hunting season. Although these two types of, you could say, control or management are in place, there is no formal plan or way of controlling the species. And last, this is the references for this presentation. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and please enjoy the rest of your day.